Hi students, in this video we want to discuss about the problems on isometric projection. So let us consider a problem. A sphere of diameter 50 mm rests centrally on the top of a cube of sides 50 mm. Draw the isometric projection of the combination of the solids. So coming on to this problem, there are two solids over here. That is a combination they given. One is the cube at the bottom. Above that I am going to place a sphere of diameter 50. So coming on to sphere, we know that whenever we are going to rotate any sphere at any angle, the sphere outlook will be the same. Means the outer diameter remains the same for the sphere. Only the height of the center point will be varied when you are going to keep on any of the surfaces. So that you have to keep in your mind. So you have to draw the outer circle of a sphere with a normal dimension itself, not on a isometric. So let us start the problem with the cube on a base. So cube the given as 50 mm. So select any one point on the ISO sheet which is there in your sketchbook. I'm going to select. So 50. So count the 5 boxes. So once you count 5, take this side also 5. 50 mm. Again this side 50 mm. And here also 50 mm. So this is the bottom base of the cube. So increase the height. So I'm going to take the height from here. So 50. Again from here I have to go for 50 mm, 50 mm, 50 mm and 50 mm. So these are two faces. So I have to connect that. So I want to connect only the visible edges. So I want to connect this, and this is the visible face at the top, and these are the two other faces. So these two lines I can keep or I can remove. So I will keep as it is. So with the thickness as 0.13 itself. So before drawing the sphere on the top, so I have to go for finding the center point. So I want to take the center point over here. Similarly from here to the center point. So this indicates the center point of the cube or the upper surface. So I want to reduce the thickness. So this line indicates the center point. Now coming to the sphere, the sphere has a diameter of 50 mm. So the radius will be 25. So I want to take 25 over here. So 25 I want to take. So 25 you can take. So since the scale is reduced to iso scale, you can get the lesser value over here. 25 I want to take. So once you have done this, this is the iso scale, dimension 25 in iso scale. Now to draw the outer circle of the sphere, you have to use the normal dimension. So go for circle. This is center point, and dia as 50 you are going to construct. So once you have done this, you can observe that the circle or circumference is coming below the center point of the cube. That indicates that we have done the problem in a proper way. So once you have done this you can make as the axis line. So this how you want to draw in a solid edge. So here you go for the normal in software. So I want to take 50 at an angle of 30, 50 at an angle of 150, 50 at an angle of minus 150, 50 at an angle of minus 30. So once you have done this, again you are going to increase this to the given dimension. So I want to select this. So go for 50. Again 50 at an angle of 30, 50 at an angle of 150, 50 at an angle of minus 150, 50 at an angle of minus 30. So join the respective points. So then find the center point over here. So I want to find the center point. So this indicates the center. So once you have done this, remove the unwanted things. This is the cube. How you going to look? Coming to sphere diameter. So sphere is having dia of 50. So radius will be 25. I want to enter 25. So it will be exactly the top. So now this is the axis of the sphere. So once you have done this, this has to be reduced to iso scale, because the whatever things I are going to construct afterwards, that is a circle. So that will be in the normal scale. So I want to select this and go for scale, and I am going to reduce the scale factor to 0.82. Now I will go for a normal scale now, diameter, circle by center point, dia I am going to take as 50. So it will be done. So now go for trim and trim off this additional things. And you can draw a line at the bottom, a horizontal line, and you can show the dimension, that is the inclination of the sides. So this will be of 30. Similarly, this will be of 30. So this is how you are going to solve the problem of a sphere and a cube. Now let us consider another problem. So just zoom that. So a sphere of diameter 45 mm rests centrally over the frustum of a cone of base diameter 60 mm and top diameter 40 mm and height 60 mm. Draw the isometric projection. So in this problem also we have two solids. One is the frustum of a cone, the another one is the sphere. So to construct the frustum of a cone, you should have two faces. One is upper face and the lower face. So that you have to consider. So you are going to take the any one of the point over there. So the bottom face of the cone I want to construct now. So I want to select. So it is having the bottom face as 60. So I want to go for 6 boxes. Again I will go for that. I'll zoom that. 60. Again I'll go for 60 and 60. So once you're done, you have to convert into a circle now. I want to select this. So 3 and in the center. Similarly from here to the center and from here to the center. Now go for arc by center point. So this as the center, this as the radius you can draw. Similarly from here, this as the center, this as the radius, I can draw this. Now go for intersection point of this. Draw the circle onto this. Similarly from here to this I can draw the arc. So once you're done, identify the center point. So this is the center point. So what is the height given as? So height they specified as 60 mm. So I want to take 60 mm, that is 6 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 I want to take. So this is the height of the frustum of a cone they given. At that particular point I will construct a 40 mm face of a circle. So to get a 40 mm I will go for 20 mm downwards. So I will go for 20 mm downwards. You can reduce in the thing 20. So I will go for 40, 40, 40 and 40. I want to select now from here to the center point, again from here to the center. Similarly from this point to the center, again from here to the center. Go for arc by center point again. This is the center, this is the radius, construct. From here again I want to construct. Take this intersection point, construct the arc. Similarly take this as center point and construct. So now I will go for joining the lines. Just observe, I want to select from here to this. Similarly from here to this I want to connect. So once you have done this, you have to construct the sphere. So to get the sphere, so I will go for axis height first. The sphere is given as 45, so I want to select 22.5 over here. Then I want to convert that into a axis line. So once the axis line is done, I go for circle. So I want to select the end point. So I will go for 45 as the diameter. So this is how we are going to construct the given problem in isometric sheet. The same thing I have to construct in a solid edge. So that I want to show how we want to construct now. So select first as a cone. So I want to take 60 mm at an angle of 30, 60 at an angle of 150, 60 at an angle of minus 150, 60 at an angle of minus 30. So I have to convert that into a cone, circle that is. So I will go for line to the center point, again from the center point, center and this center. Go for arc by center point, select this, join. Similarly from here want to collect and you can join. Go for arc by center point again, So this intersection as a reference, I want to draw the arc. Similarly, this I want to select and I want to draw the arc on this side. So identify the center point by joining the midpoints of both the sides. So once the center point is identified, remove all the lines which used for the construction. That is an option. You can keep the lines as it is, or you can remove off. So this I want to keep as 0.13. So height of the first of a cone is given as 60. So I want to take 60 as height, 60 at an angle of 90. Now again I have to create one more circle on the top. Previously I did both the sides. So now what I want to do is I want to reduce my work by utilizing the already existing circle. So I want to select this circle. So I'll go for a scale with a copy option. So now I already have 60, I need 40. So 40 divided by 60, if I enter, it will be reduced. So I can use the same. So I'm going to go for move that aside. Go for move option. Take the center point and place exactly on the top. So that your time will be reduced. Also, it will be easy for you people to solve the problems. So thus the first half of the cone is ready. You can trim off the extra things whatever there is there. Again, that is an option. You can keep that as a thin line and you can keep as it is, otherwise you can remove. Now we'll go for creating the sphere. Again, the sphere diameter is 45, so radius I'm going to take as 22.5 at an angle of 90. So once you've done this, select that and make that as axis of the sphere. Now before drawing the outer shape of the sphere, you have to reduce the scale since the outer shape of the sphere remains the same. So I'll go for scale option now. Scale that to 0.82. Place that. So remove the copy option. I'm going to go for scale. So 0.82 and I'm going to place. So once it is placed, go for circle by center point. Select the center point and give that one as 45. So again you can remove the parts which are inside the sphere, and this is how you're going to solve the problem sphere and a cone combination.